Welcome to Kitchen Adventures. Today we are gonna make chicken pot roast. And I'm gonna show you how to make this exotic recipe in a very convenient manner. Take a very large bowl and put 100 grams of butter at room temperature into it, followed by a tablespoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper. Add a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, a teaspoon of red chilli powder and a teaspoon of honey. Now we shall take a small sieve and mash 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste through it. This will ensure that the fiber of the ginger and the garlic does not go into the chicken while retaining its concentrated puree. Give a good mix while breaking the pieces of butter and ensuring that all the ingredients come together. Be careful not to overmix at this stage. So the marinade is now ready. Coming over to the chicken now, I have used 6 chicken thighs. You can use any other piece of the chicken. We will now cut gashes or diagonal lines on the chicken, which will ensure that all the spices of the marination seep well into the chicken pieces. For the vegetables, I am using baby potatoes. Wash and roughly take off the peel. If you are using large potatoes, be sure to cut them into small pieces. I also have some button mushrooms over here which I have washed. Now we drop the chicken, potatoes and the mushrooms into the marinade and coat everything well with the marinade mixture. Using a large bowl makes the process less messy. Now take a large baking dish which has been greased with oil. Arrange the chicken pieces and the vegetables in the baking dish and put the remaining butter on the top. Scatter a dozen of garlic cloves on the top. Cover with plastic wrap and marinate for at least 12 hours. Marinating overnight is the best option. Bake at 180 degrees centigrade for 50 to 55 minutes. You can also cook it in the micro oven on convection mode. Chicken pot roast is now ready to be served. You can have it as it is or with bread.